Okay, what? $100. Shut. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, this is a video I've seen right now because I'm about to do something real quick. Today's Friday, March 31st, and I'm about to mix up some stuff for my eyes. So yes, I bought this ice mold from Amazon. I found it on, I think it was Instagram. Basically, if you have to close it, then you pour whatever you're pouring in here, liquid or just water or whatever you want to put in there, and you pour whatever you're pouring in here through this hole, and it's gonna mold into an ice, and you rub it over your face and whatever. So I'm gonna blend up this with a little water. Since cucumber is good for the eyes, I started peeling it, but I think the skin is also good for the eyes, so I stopped peeling it. So I'm gonna blend this up with a little bit of water, and then strain it and add my ordinary caffeine solution and some aloe vera vitamin. I just want to start like some kind of oil to add to this because I'm going to use it on my face too. So, you know, vitamin E is good for your face. Then this one has aloe vera in there. So I'm going to mix up all this and put it in here and mold it into the ice. And tomorrow I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like. And I'll see if it works for my freaking eye puffiness, my eye bags or not. We'll see. Yeah. I feel like I'm going to have to go to a freaking dermatologist or something for my freaking eyes at this point. So I'm all done now. I'll pour it in here. I literally want to spray this. I'm gonna spray this one. Why is it so hard to come out? Okay, so I'm gonna use this and pour it in there. I hope it doesn't spill. Oh, it's not spilling. Okay. Alright, so give it a little shake so I can mix all the ingredients together. And tomorrow it should be molded into a nice green cucumber ice. Welcome people, welcome back to the channel. Today's Saturday, April 1st. My name is Bitty. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, so yes, April Fools. Nobody would upload with me today. I'm getting ready to go to the city because so I'm going to Macy's to go pick up a birthday gift for one of my friends, my really good friends. My birthday's tomorrow, but I'm going to the city. I'm not going in Brooklyn or anything. But today is a beautiful day. The weather is, let me delete the weather app off this phone, child. But when I checked last time, the weather was 69 degrees. So I'm like, yes. Yeah, so it's really nice outside. It's really sunny. I put on this hoodie. This hoodie is kind of big. I'm gonna show y'all how big this thing is. This hoodie is big, and I think I got a large, and I was like, you know, I like it to be comfy anyways, but it's a little big. It's a little snug. Okay, see how big the hoodie is? It's so big, and I guess we're going for this look, which I'm not. So what I am going to do, I want to fold it under. Not that it's gonna stay folded, but I just don't like how it looks. So, oh, look upon thickness, and that's why I don't want to look like, I'm not trying to OD on my diet. It's gonna be a balanced diet. I was gonna try to slim down, but I'm just gonna go in the gym and work on my upper body because I don't want my thickness to go reach out. Nope, I'm good. All right, let me go get this ice mold. I'll leave this ice mold and show y'all. Okay, so just recorded what I did last night with the ice mold, so I'm about to try to use it now and see how my face feeling, because my face is really dry right now. I didn't moisturize or anything yet, so I'm just gonna try the ice mold and see if it works and see what it does to my eyes. Yeah, they are a little baggy today, so the ice mold that I made is with cucumber, so I hope it helps. So, look at it. Oh my god, it looks so, this is so cool. So I'm gonna try it now and see how it works and see how it feels. So it smells good too. The mixture of everything that I put in there, child, we're gonna see. So let's. I really need my now.
wasn't for the money, cars, and movie stars, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? Still be loving me? If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movie stars, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still calling me? Still be loving me?
I really need my love. I really need to free my love. I really need your love. I need to free my mind out. I really need your love. I really need to free my love. I really need your love. Oh, yeah. Let me free as any open mind. God is really asking that.
Hopefully this helps. So yeah, I use most of it. It's very shape now because I use majority of it. It melts really fast though, like damn. Alright, so I'm gonna pat dry my face and then moisturize my face. Yeah, that's my little experiment for the day. I'm just gonna put it back in the freezer and use it again tomorrow. Or maybe tonight when I come back from the city. And that's it. You just close it and put it back in the freezer. That's it for this little experiment though. Alright, so I was trying to start with the healthier outside since the weather is so nice today. But usually Manhattan is more colder than Brooklyn and clean. So this is a coat. I had bought this coat. This is in my Black Friday haul. So if you want to know where I got it from, go check that video out. This is literally the first time I'm wearing it. I bought it for winter, but then I have my teddy coat and that's more warmer, so I just wear that. So now it's a little bit warmer, springtime, I'm gonna put this on. But yeah, this is a Guess coat. It's Guess, right? I think it's Guess, so. Okay. See, tag's still on there and everything. Oh, it's an extra large, yeah. So it's a Guess coat. So, I wish I could take the hoodie off, can I? Oh, I can't take the hoodie off. Oh, it's lit. I'm taking the hoodie off. I didn't realize I could take the hoodie off. Because I don't need the hoodie. But maybe I do because it's going to rain. It's going to rain, so maybe I do need the hoodie. So I don't want to work with the umbrella, so I'll just leave the hoodie on. Because it's supposed to rain at 7 o'clock. So I want to take the hoodie off, but I don't. I think I'm going to take the hoodie off. When I get off and I stop recording, I'm going to check the weather and see what the hoodie is looking like. And see what the weather is looking like. Yeah, I want to take the hoodie off, but I'm not sure because I think it's supposed to rain. So it's good. I like the fact that it has a detachable hoodie. I didn't even notice. I didn't even realize when I did the haul. Yeah, so this is how it fits. I can close it up. Ooh. If I close it up, this one's gonna fit. I'm glad it's not too tight there. This is my first time trying it on, so yeah, this is how it fits. It's an extra large. And instead of a little room, I try to button it up or zip it up, and I have a little room there. So I like that. I'm about to head out now. Yeah, I'm about to head out now, so see y'all in the next clip. Yeah, so I have to change. I have to put on my leather jacket and my black sneakers because, yo, outside really nice. Like, I know the city gonna be colder, so if I was sitting in Brooklyn, I could have just wore this. But since I'm going to Manhattan, I'm not gonna put myself like that because I already know how out there set up. So this is what I'm wearing. So it's looking. The tightness, yeah. I'm just this man picking. Yeah. Let me get the hell out of here. But yeah, I just have to show that I have to change because outside nice. And I'm gonna take up and do the niceness. Peace. Y'all will not believe. Y'all will not believe the hoopla I had to go through to get to the city. I forgot that it's the weekend. I forgot the trains be running crazy. I came out right from the Macy's. I forgot, yo. I really forgot. I'm basically back where I was in my Christmas vlog. I'm coming to Macy's. But yeah, they have a flower show. You see briefly by the window. So I'm gonna go see what that's about too while I'm in there. But it's freaking raining. Let me turn this camera around. Yo, I'm finally out here. Like almost 2 hours later because the freaking train. But it's my fault because I really forgot how the trains be on weekend. And look, it's raining now. I did not bring my umbrella either. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in Macy's first and then go in Sephora. It's giving spring. Because the train was messed up. It's like everybody was going to the same place. The train station was so packed because of that. So, anyways, before my phone messed up, I'm about to go in Macy's right now, yeah? But yeah, Macy's have a flower show thing going on for the spring. For a couple of days, I think.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my eyes. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind is right. All these thoughts that trouble me. Trying to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right yet, I really need time now. I need to spend my time. I really need.
So, you want to know something that I just learned? Did you know?
Thank you. Look at that mess. There's rain too. I said I had to change. I had to change my sneakers from my Uggs to my Hirachis. And I wish I didn't change my damn jacket because it's raining. But anyways, I'm done here. I'm about to go into Sephora.
Trying to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right yet, I really need.
The way I'm about to walk under these barriers thing right here because I'm not an umbrella. I need to go home. I'm hungry too. Oh, came out of Macy's and it's still freaking raining. This guy was outside of Macy's selling umbrellas. He was like $5 for the umbrella, and I'm like, me not buy no umbrella. I'm not umbrella. So I'm gonna just try to dodge the rain and get to Sephora because yeah, I'm gonna try to like dodge the. I don't know. I'm gonna dodge the rain, but. Oh, this girl just give me an idea, so I can check it on top of my head. I think I'm gonna do the same thing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just try to rush into Sephora real quick because the rain now stop. I'm not talking all night and wait until we cool down. I'm not doing it. I'm not standing here all night. I'm not doing it. If I run in there, me get wet. It is what it is.
She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with doubles in my hands. I did have a saying 13 hours till I light, baby. Like a light, like a light. Slept through a flight, not for the night.
Smell this Fenty for 140. Smell the Fenty with the Canva. Oh, good, not gonna lie. Oh, it smells good. That's all my supplies, right? Hey, this is what it smell like. It smells mad good. I don't know what's in this. I want to show them what it smells like. Slime, it smells so good. Oh, so it has Mongolian musk. Mongolia and musk mango with tangerine, Bulgarian rose. So essential one. That smells so good. I'll add that to my collection.
She's a lover who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit that.
I need to go home. Why the hell I just spent $100 in Sephora? Like, what the? How? I just spent $100 off of $100. I need to go home. I need to go home. This is ridiculous. I didn't come out here for this. I didn't come out here for this. The rain stopped. Thank God it stopped raining. I'm just gonna go home because everything out here is Chick-fil-A. You don't want Chick-fil-A? Yeah, so I just got back home. It's like almost 10 o'clock. I'm so freaking tired. I bought something to eat, like something light to eat from the deli. So I have a tuna wrap, wheat wrap, because I love tuna, but I don't like mayonnaise. So I told them light mayo. Sometimes they make it good, sometimes they don't. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see if they made it good. I had avocado, lettuce, tomatoes. Look at the shit seeking through. I hate seeing that because I don't like mayo. And I got some tropical rhythm. This is my favorite tropical rhythm. So I got this one, the mango carrots, and a bucket of water to wash it down with after. This tuna, tomatoes, lettuce, and avocado. I don't want to mess up my freaking shirt because I'm about to do unboxing videos in the same top, so I'm not messing it up. Alright, so did I mention that I spent $100 in Sephora? Did I mention that? I don't know nothing about makeup or anything. Well, it wasn't all the makeup I bought, but oh yeah, I should do an unboxing of that, right? And show you what I got. I think I should do that after me eat my sandwich. It's so good, but it's dripping because too much freaking mayo is in the tuna. Or they didn't drip all this tuna properly. See, luckily I put the thing on my shirt. Look at this shit dripping. Yeah, this is good. So this is my dinner. So tomorrow I'm going out for one of my amazing ass friend's birthday. Tomorrow is her actual birthday and she's having a dinner. So I have a dinner plans with her and her other friends. We're going to a nice spot, so I already chose what I already know I'm gonna order. She sent us the menu and everything, so I already know what I'm gonna order. So that's why I didn't want to eat nothing too crazy tonight. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this. So yeah, see y'all tomorrow. Probably when I'm getting ready to go out with my friend, or probably when I'm with her already. Later.
She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used